Yeah, so this is fresh strawberries.
Pop it in there.
Pop it in there. You're just gonna cook long enough. It just starts to break it up like this.
So they start to slump and break down and release all their juices.
Now, I have a beehive in my home.
Do you really?
Yes, I do.
Are you a beekeeper?
I am.
That's
yes,
awesome.
I am.
Look at you go.
Yes, that's me right there.
I love you. You're so rock star.
That's me getting our honey. So that right there, that's this honey. I brought it for you. You can take it home.
This is my I love you. Thank you, Camilla.
Can we use a little bit of this?
Yes. I'll put a little drizzle.
So that is from my home to you.
Oh, sweetheart. Thank you so much. Beautiful. Beautiful. So you sweeten this just naturally with pure honey.
Pure honey.
Let it cook down.
This is
what
what
with a little yogurt.
Strawberry jam. Strawberry honey jam.
Oh.
Super simple and easy.
And you serve it to the kids with yogurt?
Yes, you can
on
do
whole
yogurt.
grain bread?
Exactly. Do a little
I
spread.
told you, she is the bomb in the kitchen. She's awesome.